1 year after that tragic night. I am NEWI security ward and my name is Thomas Jefferson. I'm going to tell you a story about young Catalan students. As every year, students from all around the world come to study in this university.
Oh great, we've just arrived.
Hey guy, would you like some beers and cigarettes?
There is a warning forbidding smoking.
No problem, I can turn it off.
Why did they take it off? Why did they take it off? I'm sure when those guys arrived, they began to smoking and drinking.
I am so drunk. Let's go to the central station.
I don't understand why they take the alarm off. There were security devices everywhere, smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and warnings. But unfortunately, everything began to burn. But I'm lucky to be a fictional character, and I'm made of plasticine.
If you play with fire, you'll end up burning.